A lot more room in there than I thought there was. We're now looking at a Boston Whaler 365 Conquest. Two huge 600 V12 Mercuries on the back of this thing. Beautiful portside dinette. Thoughtfully laid out, thoughtfully designed. I always felt Boston Whalers were a bit expensive for what you're getting, but I mean, what do I know? Whoa, okay, maybe not. I mean, look at that sole in here. Wow. This is so homey and open. There's so much going on here. There's a galley to your left here, your port. Seating. And then I'm assuming this is a dinette that folds down to also become a bed. That's awesome. There's a TV over here. I'm sitting on the port side. Looking starboard, you have just down from the steps in. This is your head and your day bath, your wet bath. Stone flooring in the shower. And there's a little sleeping quarters back here. That's sweet. The sole is really nice too. I love the way they finished that. So we're gonna step back up and out. We'll climb up onto the bow. See what that looks like. The exterior has nice black finishing on it, on the trim. Grab rails everywhere. Nice large bow. Yeah, thoroughly impressed with that Boston Whaler. A lot more room in there than I thought there was.